Here's what you need to complete a sunrise hair frying gutter job installation. A gutters, a fascia bracket or a roof mount bracket to install the gutters, stainless steel screws to mount the fascia bracket or the roof mount bracket, ink cap to cap your gutters, outlet, very easy to install on your gutters, a downspout with an elbow that will go this way, a rivet, stainless steel rivet to mount your elbow and to mount the ink caps. The ink caps comes with a hole ready for the riveting to make it easier for you. And in some cases you will need an offset elbow, a downspout bracket to mount your downspout to the wall. You will need a silicone to seam where you connect two pieces of gutters, and for the ink cap. In some cases you will need outside corner, sunrise seamless outside corner, or inside corner.